So I'm coming up with a question. Keep your typers ready and people answer in full answer. Huh? Don't give in tricks and bits. आराम से answer करिए because I'm not going to give you any gifts for this, but it's a revision and I want to answer in full. Okay. The first question coming up to you people is, I want a proper answer and I want to know how many vowels are there and which alphabets are vowels. How many vowels are there? Which alphabets? No, again, see. No, not 5. I've asked 2. How many and which? How many and which? Oh, no, Kanika, good. I got Kanika giving me full answer. Good, Kanika, congrats. Moving on to the next question. I want to know what is a word. I want to know what is a word. Write the answer in full. Kanika won the first game. First question is won by Kanika. The second is what is a word? Answer in full. What is a word? Answer in full. I'm asking word. No, word is not a sentence. No, alphabetic order, no. What is a word? A word is group of letters. No, still more. Nalini Jail. It says word combination of letters, but what? Combination of letters? No. Okay, alphabet का spelling गलत है. Group of alphabets. Yes, Prabha. Prabha is the winner for the next question. Next question coming up. I want to know what is a sentence. What is a sentence? Okay. What is a sentence? Okay. I want to know. No. I want to know what is a sentence. Swastika, you need to revise. गलत है आपका. Sentence group of words. Group of words. No. I want to know. Not in. No. Not subject predicate. No. गलत है. I am asking what is a sentence. Combination of some words, but what? Combination of some words arranged in correct, indicate correct meaning. Yes. Indicate correct meaning. Nalini again. Yes. Fine. Coming up to the next question. People, listen to the next question. It says, you have to give me the name of 2 parts of the sentence. Name of 2 parts of the sentence. Just name them. I gave you 2 parts. Subject, predicate, Shweta. Very good. Subject, predicate. I'm getting answer from Shweta. Perfect. The next question coming up. Shweta is the winner for the third one. Fourth question coming up. People, get ready for the fourth question. Stop subject and predicate. The fourth question coming up is, of course, you guessed it correct. How many parts of sentences? How many? Give the number. 4, Shelly. Correct, Shelly, 4. Shelly is the winner. Suno, next question coming up. Got the answer for this one. Next question coming up. Listen carefully. You have to list all the 4 parts. एक message में, huh? Don't give separate messages. List up assertive, imperative, interrogative. Good. I got this from Rabia. Rabia is the winner for the interrogative. Ki spelling correct? Yeah, perfect. So Rabia is the winner for the next. Okay, people. So I just say you goodbye over here now. I hope you people enjoyed the session and I'll be sharing. Okay, we have some minutes over here. Let me have some chit chat with you. So now I would request the host to just keep the mic open to the people, those who raise hand. We have some more minute. No, don't go, Anamika. We have some questions for you. I want to listen to some self-introduction, जो हमने already sentences दिए हुए हैं. Okay? Please, co-host, कुछ people के mic open कर दीजिएगा so that I can listen to their answers. People, you raise your hand and the mic will be open for you. I want your self-introduction in the best way. Okay? And who wants to give a proper introduction as we have done? I've taught you this in the past. In the demo session, I have done this. So you can raise your hand and I think there are 5, 6 hands raised. So, okay. Can I unmute? I don't know whether I can. Let me see.
कनिका को मैंने अनम्यूट किया है, मिली को किया है अनम्यूट.
No, one at a time करिए. पहले कनिका आंसर करिए. कनिका आंसर.
ओके.
Kanika can answer.
हाँ, कनिका। कनिका,
Hello.
Yes, Kanika, you can
Hello,
answer.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, my son is answering.
Okay.
My name is Aditya Verma. I'm 9 years old. I'm from India. I like to play cricket. Thank you.
So, what's your name, boy?
Aditya Verma.
Aditya, why you had to think so much when you were telling about yourself? You doubt that you're Aditya or you're not Aditya? Is it like that?
No,
Okay.
I'm
So,
Aditya.
no, see what happens, Aditya. You have to be very proper. See, nothing is right, nothing is wrong when it comes to your own introduction. Okay. These are some basic. So, people, you have to give your introduction in a very confident way. As I say to all of you, nothing is right, nothing is wrong. Aditya, but good try. What is your age, Aditya?
9.
That's a great thing. 9 years speaking, very nice. Clap for Aditya. This is my clap for you. Next person, please.
शैली वर्मा, unmute yourself.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Shali.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm Shelly Verma, and I'm a housewife, and I have completed my MCA in 2007. That's it. And actually I'm studying digital marketing course, so I want be a digital marketer.
This is a very nice introduction you gave. But this shows a little bit of lacking when it comes to your own revision, your own introduction. A bit of effort you have to put, just a bit of effort. Otherwise, you're doing very nice. You're being a housewife, you're doing digital marketing, you want to come in the professional domain. Really happy to know about this.
मैम
The best to
प्लीज
you.
मैम
Yeah.
प्लीज टेल मी मतलब कि हम अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दे सकते हैं, प्लीज टेल मी।
मैं बताऊंगी, मुझे 2 मिनट दो,
Okay.
2-3 को और सुन ले, फिर मैं आपको सबको साथ में बताती हूँ. Just give
Okay.
me 2 more minutes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
One.
Nishu Rajavan. Unmute Nishu Rajavan. No. Gurvinder Kaur, unmute. Gurvinder Kaur.
यस मैम। मैम मेरी डॉटर करेगी।
Okay,
Okay.
okay, done.
Hello, my name is Navjota. I am in 6th class. I am
Okay.
11 years old. I am like to play hockey. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. It's lovely hearing you. Anybody else? I'll just take 2 more people. Any 2 more people we can pick up.
Next, Aarti Jain.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Ah.
Hello, my name is Siddhant Jain. I am 10 years old. I am studying in 5th class. I like to play cricket. What about you? Thank you.
Oh, that's really
Oh my
nice.
God. Super.
Lovely.
Next,
Next.
Khushbu. Next, Khushbu.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Khushbu.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, my name is Khushbu. I am a housewife, and now I am doing a work from home job.
Okay.
Actually, I am searching last 2-3 years matlab work from home job. So I got a work from home job, and I now recently I need a skills. So I found sorry, actually मैं थोड़ा सा
It's
spoken में
okay. No,
अच्छी
no, no.
नहीं।
It's okay. It's interesting to know about you. Yes, you found what?
Okay, now actually I'm searching new things already, or matlab day to day. So I'm searching some new things. I found in Facebook digital marketing course. So I entered in this course,
Okay.
and now I am learning digital course. And I apply Canva and video editing मतलब वीडियो एडिटिंग
certification courses. Okay, good. Okay.
yes.
So we pause over here and I would just give you feedback जिन्होंने बोला और जो अभी सुन रहे people, what you have to do is आपने जो अभी मुझे अभी यहाँ पे बताया, जब मैं रिकॉर्डिंग भेजूंगी तो उसमें भी होगा, but you have to have a habit of recording your own voice. Okay. आप तभी सुन
Okay.
पाओगे, आप तभी अच्छे से बोल पाओगे जब आप खुद की आवाज खुद सुनोगे. ओके, यू जस्ट
Okay.
रिमेम्बर बीइंग अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. जो छोटा बच्चा होता है वो भाषा सीखता कैसे है? वो सबकी भाषा सुन सुन के पहले सीखता है, isn't it? So the tip you can say, or the trick you can say to learn a language is only by hearing, or the best way to understand or speak a language is to record your own voice. Okay, and listen to it. आप खुद उसको evaluate करो. And that is the best tip that I can give it to you over here. Now, don't prepare your speech. Speech prepare करके फिर उसको बोलो, फिर record करो. Don't do it that way. You directly have to speak जैसे अभी आप कर रहे हो, as you did just now. Okay? Directly you just take a topic all of a sudden without preparing it, start talking in English in that topic and record it. Okay? Just record. And you can also do mirror activity. Mirror activity भी बहुत help करेगी. Okay, you people are technology people. तो खुद की आप रिकॉर्डिंग में जब करोगे तो डू अ वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग rather than the ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग. तो उसमें आपका व्यू, आपका आई कांटेक्ट, आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन सब कुछ आ जाएगा. ओके, सो बाय दिस टिप आई वुड एंड माय टुडे
नेक्स्ट
सेशन.
एक
या
और मुझे रिक्वेस्ट की है उन्होंने, भाविका मैम, अंजू वर्मा ने, एक बार आप इनका भी देख लीजिए.
जी जी जी.
अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अंजू वर्मा. अंजू वर्मा, कर पा रहे हो आप अनम्यूट?
गुड आफ्टरनून
अंजू
मैम.
आप कर पा रहे हो?
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
हाय,
हाँ,
टेल
या.
मी.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग, टेल मी.
Ma'am, my name is Dimash. Ma'am, I am studying in class 8. My school name is Amrit Indoor. I am living in Ludhiana, Punjab.
That's very nice, very nice. But आप इतना फटाफट क्यों बोले? You should be, और बिल्कुल modulation, I really missed on the modulation, and हर एक sentence आपने I से शुरू करा, I. So it's not always, now, you have to give variations. See, यही चीजें आप सीखोगे when you, record your own voice. Okay? ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पता नहीं है, आपको पता तो है ही. But you are unknowingly doing it. See, now this is not only for Anju, okay? This is for everybody who is present over here in the class. Fine? So I'm really happy. I'm really great seeing you people here. We meet again in the next session. Till then time, bye everyone. Good night. Do give me review.
थैंक यू सो मच भाविका मैम, बहुत
जरूर लिखिएगा.
पढ़ाया आपने.
थैंक यू सो मच. रिव्यूज आप प्लीज टाइप करके भेज दीजिएगा ग्रुप में, और जैसे भी प्रोसेस होती है प्लीज डू दैट रिव्यूइंग. बाय एवरीवन.